Hello there! Good morning, good morning, good morning at magandang umaga sa ating mga kababayang minamahal at sa ating mga kaibigan saan man kayo ngayon sa Pilipinas at sa buong mundo. Mga minamahal natin mga OFW, isang magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Once again, this is Coach Ernie, your founder of the Lions Group International, and this episode it's very quite interesting because I'm going to share with you an idea that all of us are really excited about, but first, bago ang lahat, maraming salamat pala sa aking mga followers, at saka mga subscriber natin sa ating YouTube channel, sa Coach Ernie Vlog. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. At para sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, you can subscribe in my YouTube channel dahil marami tayong matutunan doon. Marami akong mga videos doon about the Live Good Company, about the opportunities, and about also networking, how to do right, how to be effective in doing network business or emailing business. By the way, in this episode, I'm going to talk about, side hustle is really a must. What does it mean? Side hustle or sideline business is really a must even before and even up to today. Still it is a must. Okay, that's my title for this episode. Pinamagatan kong side hustle or side line business is really a must. Mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, right now, if you are an employee and if you are an employee and you are in your 20s, I would say this is the best time for you to start doing MLM business or doing side hustle business or doing network business. In short, this is really the best time for you to start, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, because I remember many years ago when I was in my 20s, after college, someone introduced me into network industry. That was the first time that I experienced the wonders and the beauty of network business, because that time, in a short period of time, I remember in my 20s, I think I'm 21 or 22 that time, way back 1990s or 1998 or up to 2000. That was the first time nalaman ko ang network industry na minamahal natin. And you know what, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, I was really amazed of this industry because in just a short period of time na ranasan ko at na-experience ko na really you can earn big time. You can really earn big time sa network industry, sa network business. And that was the first time na I was able to experience, flying or, nakasakay ng eroplano. So imagine, that time, iilan lang yun, wala pang Cebu Pacific that time wala pa. To be specific, ang sinakyan ko na eroplano because I was one of the awardee of that company that I was involved with. Yung eroplano na yun or yung airlines na yun, I think nawala na ngayon. It's Grand Air, wala pa, it's Philippine Airlines and it's Grand Air. So Grand Air yung sinakyan namin na eroplano because I was one of the awardee of that one particular company. We are selling supplement. And then in a short period of time, in a couple of months, I was able to hit my target. That's why naging po tayo, one of the awardee. From Mindanao, nag-fly po kami papuntang Manila just to get the awards. That was my first time. And doon nabuksan yung isipan ko na talagang ang ganda pala talaga ng ang mundo ng networking. That's why if you are right now, if you are a student and you are in your 20s, guys, wag na kayo magdadalawang isip. Join a network company, look for a network company, and mamaya i-share ko rin sa inyo kung ano yung company na I am involved with almost a year now. Yun mamaya later in this video. Now, going back here, if you are in your 30s, nasa 31 na kayo, 32, 33, okay, still it's the best time for you to join sideline hustle or join an MLM company. Still the best time if you are in your 30s. Dahil pagdating mo ng 40s, nasa 40s ka na pataas, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan. Although still not the best time, kasi nasa nasa 40s ka na. Unlike yung nasa 20s ka pa, ang daming years mo pa ma-enjoy ang MLM business. You still have many years to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Pero pag nasa 40s ka na, 50s ka na, nag-join sa network industry, although it's not really, although hindi pa uhuli lahat, but I would say right now, talagang late na. But still, if you still have the guts, you still have the inspiration, you still have the dreams that you want to achieve, then why not join? I encourage you also to join. So if you're in your 40s right now, if you're in your 40s and 50s, double time, triple your time, or quadruple your efforts to do sideline business. Kung wala ka pag sideline dyan hanggang ngayon, look for a company, a reliable company, para ikaw ay makapagsimula ulit sa network industry. Kasi look guys, if you're in your 40s and still it's either you stop doing network business for whatever reason, dahil nagsara siguro yung company mo, or you did not experience successes, that's why nagpahinga ka muna, in your late 40s na, you are in your 50s na. Marami akong nakilala na nasa 40s na sila, nasa 50s na sila, at they gave up their dreams in network business. So I would suggest and I would advise, it's not too late yet, but still, pag nag-join ka ngayon, kasi pag binigyan mo ng last chance, last hurrah, you are in your 40s right now, you are in your 50s, go for it. Go for it. I encourage you to go for it, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan. Now, the question right now is, you ask yourself, why it is really a must? Why it is really a must? Bakit kailangan talaga na magkaroon tayo ng sideline business or side hustle? Of course, mga kababayan at mga kaibigan, the dream, the dream to have this freedom. What is this freedom is all about? Freedom, time freedom, financial freedom. Sinong hindi magkaroon ng financial freedom wherein you could travel, you could buy anything that you want, you could travel around the world. You don't worry about your expenses because you have this passive income on a monthly basis coming in, coming into your bank account. So sinong hindi magkagusto niyan, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan? Lahat tayo magkagusto niyan. At time freedom, time freedom, yung hindi tayo sakal, wala tayong anytime pwede tayong pumunta sa ibang bansa. There's no there's no pressure because we've got the time freedom. Kung doon tayo sa ibang bansa mag-breakfast, at saka sa ibang bansa na naman tayo mag-lunch at mag-dinner sa ibang bansa, pwede, because you've got the time freedom, you've got the financial freedom, you can afford anything that you want. You can buy time actually, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan. Now, the challenge right now I wanna ask, or you ask yourself, is kung ikaw ngayon, you are in your 20s, you are in your 30s and your 40s, at talagang it is really a must to have a sideline business or a side hustle business, The challenge right now, you ask yourself, is what company? Anong kumpanya? Because ang dami ngayon na nagsulputan ng mga company. Ang dami, guys, ang dami, mga kababayan. Ang daming mga companies ngayon, na mga networking companies. Ngayon, kung wala kang guidance kung sino or ano ang papasukan mo na kumpanya, baka in the years to come, sayang lang din yung effort mo. That's why very very important na kung nagpaplano tayo ngayon, dahil it is really a must to have a side hustle, to have a sideline business, mas maganda alamin natin ang mga company na pinapasukan natin. That's really a challenge to all of you watching right now, Kung ikaw ay nagkaroon ng experience before na hindi maganda yung pinasukan mo na kampanya, nagsara, it is because ganun talaga ang industriya natin. May mga companies talaga na hindi nagtatagal, hindi reliable. That's why mamaya before I end this video, before matapos ang video na to, I'm going to share with you one particular company that me and my wife, okay, are involved with for almost a year now, okay? We are going to assist you, to give you some ideas, to give you some inputs or information as to what really is the right company. You know, very important dyan, okay? Unang-una, reliability of the company. Kailangan alamin mo ang, of course, yung management team. Management team is very important kasi pag ang isang company, hindi maganda yung management team, yung CEO, yung mga leaders dyan, walang experience, actual experience sa business, ng network business, then hindi yan tatagal. Pangalawa, kailangan maganda ang mga products. Kailangan ang products, it's either yung products mo or services mo in-offer sa market, kailangan quality, maganda din yan, quality. At just like sa company na pinapasukan namin, it's Live Good Company, it's USFDA certified organic products. Okay, so para sa mga baguhan lang ngayon, para sa mga baguhan, if you're in your 20s and your 30s, ngayon I want to encourage you, and even if you are in your 40s right now, na gusto pang bigyan ng another chance yung sarili ninyo, okay? Dahil hindi pa naman huli ang lahat, ang dami pang mga opportunity, ang dami pang mga chances na kayang-kaya natin, na makamit, Kailangan lang talaga ng right company, right mindset, mga kababayan at mga kaibigan, para ma-achieve natin yung mga pangarap natin. Now, we are going to share, or I'm going to share with you the company that we are involved with for almost a year now, Live Good Company. Why is it na ini-encourage namin kayo to join us in this company, to be part of this company? It is because unang-una, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, this company is still on a pioneering stage. At ang daming mga advantages pag ikaw nasa kumpanya na nasa pioneering stage pa lang. Nasa pioneering stage pa lang tayo. Less than 2 years pa lang ang kumpanya. And yan ang isang maganda dyan pag ikaw ay nasa pioneering stage pa lang. Pangalawa, ang mga produkto ng Live Good Company USA is halos lahat mga USFDA certified organic supplements. So there's no question about the quality because it's USFDA certified organic products. Ang ganda. Tapos once ikaw ay member, hindi kakahiyan na i-share mo ito sa mga kakilala mo at mga kaibigan mo dahil napakaganda ang ating mga produkto. Okay? Pangatlo is that yung compensation plan. If the compensation plan is really amazing, lahat naman ng halos ng mga kumpanya, they claim that their compensation plan is amazing. But one thing unique sa Live Good Company, mga kababayan, mga guys, guys, one thing unique sa Live Good Company is that see it for yourself, talagang, kasi ang dami, in less than 2 years, ang dami, thousands and thousands of people na kumikita sa Live Good Company. Thousands and thousands of people na, and the business has a presence in over 200 countries because this is unique to us. Our company kasi, Live Good Company, is 100% online home business. It's 100% online. There's no paperless na po dito. Paperless. So you can maximize now your social media, your Facebook, your Messenger, your TikTok, your Instagram. You can now monetize, you can now maximize, you can now monetize your Facebook profile promoting the membership club of this company because, guys, mga kababayan at mga kaibigan, napakamura lang po ang entry. For only 2,900 pesos or $49.95, yun ang binili mo. You can now become an affiliate, you can now become a member and affiliate of Live Good Company. And for a very minimal $9.95 or 500 pesos, 590 pesos monthly maintenance, guys, you can do the business na. That's why dito sa Live Good Company, ang dami mga estudyante, ang dami mga ordinary na mga empleyado, mga policemen, mga men and women in uniform, mga private employees man, mga government employees man, mga teachers. They go for Live Good Company because ang mura ng mga products at saka ang quality ng mga products. Napakamura ang mga products kung ikumpara mo sa mga other MLM multinational companies. kumpara mo sa ating presyo, napakamura. That's why maraming nagkagusto na mag-join sa Live Good Company USA dahil napakamura ang ating mga products at napaka-quality. That's why mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, in less than 2 years, we are now hitting almost 2 million members globally, guys. That's why kung ikaw ngayon, if you are in your 20s, this is the right company for you and the right time for you to be part of this Live Good Company and to have a side hustle business. If you are in your 30s, this is still the best time for you to have this side hustle business, sideline business. And now, and if you are in your 40s and in your 50s and you almost give up on your dreams, don't give up on your dreams. Nandito pa ang Live Good Company. Guys, mga kababayan at mga kaibigan nating OFW, don't wait for another 3 to 5 years nagtatrabaho ka at wala kang sideline. Never miss this opportunity dahil in the coming years, in 3 to 5 years, pag hindi mo dinisisyonan at wala kang side hustle, wala kang any form of sideline business, guys, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, you still the same. Walang mababago sa sarili mo. And you know, prices are going up but your income is not growing. So talagang ang laki ng problema mo. That's why, mga kababayan at mga kaibigan, we wanna invite you to be part of this Live Good Company. Join us, click my link tour. I have my link tour for you to join. It's www.livegoodtour.com/audax, or you can also follow me in my Facebook page, my own personal page, Ernie Oser, and you can subscribe in my YouTube channel, Coach Ernie Vlog, and you can comment, guys. You can comment whatever concerns you may have right now. Kung may mga tanong ka about the business, about the networking business, kung may mga tanong ka or mga concerns ka and you need my assistance, I would be very willing to assist you and to give you some insights and information in this industry that we love. Once again, this is Coach Ernie. See you at the top. Bye for now and God bless.